Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the best dash cams for any budget. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. Welcome to our thorough guide on the top dash cameras available regardless of price. A dash cam is a crucial piece of vehicle technology that may give you greater protection and peace of mind while you're on the road, whether you're an experienced driver or a novice road enthusiast. Because there are so many alternatives on the market, we've taken on the challenge of creating a list that fits every budget, guaranteeing that you can locate the ideal dash cam without going over budget. We have a range of products for you to choose from low-cost alternatives to premium versions. In this video, we'll examine the most dependable and feature-rich dash cameras for every budget, enabling you to record important roadside moments, improve your driving, and offer crucial proof in the event of an accident or disagreement. Let's get started and find the dash cam that best suits your requirements and price range. 9. Rove R2-4k. A well-liked product on the market, the Rove R2-4k dashcam is lauded for its remarkable features and reasonable pricing. This dashcam's 4K Ultra HD video recording capabilities ensure that you may record crystal clear, in-depth footage of your driving adventures. The very clear high-resolution movies at 30 frames per second make it simpler to distinguish crucial features like license plate numbers and traffic signs. The Rove R2-4k's wide-angle lens, which normally covers a field of vision between 150 and 170 degrees, gives drivers a complete perspective of the road in front of them while minimizing blind spots and capturing a larger area in a single shot. Without the need for additional wires or memory card transfers, the built-in Wi-Fi capability makes it simple and handy to upload videos to your smartphone for instant saving or sharing. Additionally, the integrated GPS feature is a great addition because it allows geotagging and monitors your driving path, providing helpful location information for any recorded event. When the memory card is full, the dashcam's loop recording feature assures continuous recording by automatically overriding older video, so you don't have to worry about manually removing files to make room. 8. Apeman, aka Hahoko. The affordable Apeman, also known as Hahoko, dashcam delivers dependable performance and necessary capabilities for easily documenting your driving moments. The Apeman dashcam can be put on your windshield without obscuring your vision thanks to its small size and stealthy appearance, offering a distraction-free driving experience. Although its low-light performance may be slightly constrained, its video quality is typically good, offering crisp and detailed footage while driving in the daytime. It's important to keep in mind that while the wide-angle lens captures a respectable field of view, it might not be as vast as some higher-end versions. The dashcam has loop recording, which allows for continuous recording without the need for operator intervention by automatically overriding previous data when the memory card fills up. Additionally, the camera has the G-sensor feature, which enables it to identify and lock crucial data when there are abrupt movements or crashes, protecting them as possible evidence. Even while the Apeman dashcam doesn't have cutting-edge capabilities like integrated Wi-Fi or GPS, its simplicity and ease of use make it a desirable option for those on a tight budget or seeking a simple dashcam solution without sacrificing necessary functionality. 7. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. With its exceptional video quality, practical functions, and user-friendly design, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a little, stealthy dashcam that delivers a powerful punch. It is a great option for drivers looking for dependable and hassle-free recording capabilities. Thanks to its 1080p resolution and improved night glow technology, the Dashcam Mini 2 blends in with the outside of your car while still recording high-definition footage of your driving adventures, even in dimly lit areas. The wide-angle lens of the camera provides a wide field of vision, reducing blind areas and guaranteeing complete coverage of the road ahead. With Wi-Fi capabilities, it's simple to download captured films and photos to your smartphone, allowing for rapid sharing or access to important material without the need for wires or memory card removal. Additionally, the user-friendly and intuitive Garmin app makes setting up and managing videos simple. Your driving safety is improved by the dashcam's useful driver aid functions, such as collision warnings and notifications for red lights and speed cameras. With voice control, you may use the device without using your hands and easily record films or take pictures. 6. Garmin Dashcam Tandem. The Garmin Dashcam Tandem is an excellent option for rideshare drivers and anyone looking for thorough monitoring of their driving environment thanks to its innovative dual-lens setup, which delivers exceptional front and interior video coverage, user-friendly features, and dependable performance. The inside camera records 720p video while the front-facing camera records 1440p footage of the road ahead. This ensures that both the driver's activities and the passengers within the cabin are well documented. Wide dynamic range (WDR) technology on the Dashcam improves video quality even in difficult lighting situations, guaranteeing that essential information is always visible. The Dashcam Tandem's handy 2-inch LCD screen makes it simple to examine live footage and play back saved movies. Along with geotagging, its GPS capabilities also allow the camera to instantly show speed and position information on recordings. Additionally, the addition of voice control makes operations simpler and enables drivers to concentrate on the road while shooting pictures or video hands-free. 5. Nexar Pro. With its cutting-edge AI-powered capabilities, dependable video quality, and easy smartphone connection, the Nexar Pro stands out as a smart and connected dashcam. It is a top pick for tech-savvy drivers seeking improved safety and real-time incident notifications while driving. The Nexar Pro's Full HD 1080p camera records crystal clear, minute-by-minute film both during the day and at night, making sure that crucial information is recorded in a variety of driving situations. With a wide field of vision and few blind spots, the wide-angle lens provides thorough coverage of the surroundings. The Dashcam's unique feature is its AI-powered ability to recognize and record occurrences like crashes and harsh braking automatically. It then stores these recordings securely in the cloud for quick access and sharing through the Nexar app. The app also allows immediate access to recorded videos and real-time notifications for possible risks, including driver awareness and safety. Additionally, the Nexar Pro's GPS capabilities guarantee accurate position monitoring and geotagging of video recordings, and its loop recording capability guarantees continuous operation without the need to manually manage storage space. The Dashcam's Wi-Fi connectivity also makes it easier to upload videos to your smartphone, doing away with the trouble of utilizing cords or taking out the memory card. 4. Miofive 4K Dashcam. With impressive 4K video quality, a wide-angle lens, cutting-edge driver assistance systems, and seamless smartphone connectivity, the Miofive 4K Dashcam stands out as a dependable and feature-rich option. This makes it a great option for drivers seeking top-notch performance and increased road safety. The Miofive's 4K Ultra HD resolution allows it to capture very detailed and clear video footage, offering clarity even in dim lighting situations. By minimizing blind areas and catching more of the surroundings, the wide-angle lens offers a thorough perspective of the road. The Dashcam's integrated GPS precisely records and tracks driving paths, allowing geotagging of recorded footage and giving useful position information. Additionally, the Miofive has cutting-edge driver assistance technologies including lane departure warnings and forward collision alarms to improve driver awareness and reduce hazards. The parking mode of the Dashcam uses motion detection to protect your car when it is parked, automatically capturing any accidents or collisions. Its simple smartphone app makes it simple to access and distribute recorded video by enabling smooth video transmission and real-time playback. When the memory card is full, the loop recording feature assures uninterrupted operation by automatically overriding earlier data. The Miofive's voice command compatibility also enables hands-free operation, guaranteeing a distraction-free driving experience. 3. Thinkware X1000. The Thinkware X1000 Dashcam is a top pick for drivers looking for premium performance and the highest level of road reliability thanks to its superb video quality, cutting-edge safety features, and extensive surveillance possibilities. The X1000's 4K Ultra HD resolution ensures that crucial information is always accessible in every driving condition. It also takes wonderfully clear and detailed footage. Wide-angle lenses have a large field of vision, which reduce blind spots and allow better coverage of the surroundings, including lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and red light camera alerts are delivered through the Dashcam's integrated ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, offering drivers helpful assistance in lowering hazards. The parking mode of the X1000 monitors the automobile while it is parked using both impact and motion detection, automatically recording occurrences and protecting your car from any threats. The Dashcam's integrated GPS properly captures driving routes and supports geotagging, giving each video clip crucial geographical information. 2. Vantrue E1. The Vantrue E1 is an excellent option for drivers looking for a small and competent dashcam for their everyday commutes and sporadic road excursions because of its understated style, dependable video quality, and user-friendly features. The E1's Full HD 1080p resolution captures crisp and detailed footage in both bright and dim lighting, making sure that crucial information is viewable in a variety of driving settings. Its wide-angle lens provides a wide field of view, reducing blind spots and giving thorough coverage of the road in front of the vehicle. When the memory card is full, the Dashcam's loop recording capability assures uninterrupted operation by automatically overriding older recordings, requiring less manual upkeep. When rapid movements or crashes occur, the G sensor on the E1 recognizes and locks vital video clips, safeguarding them as possible evidence. Additionally, the Dashcam has a parking mode that uses motion detection to capture any mishaps when the car is parked, adding an extra layer of security while you are gone. The Vantrue E1 is suited for drivers of all skill levels because of its simple setup and usage and easy-to-navigate menus and user-friendly interface. Additionally, due to its small size and adhesive attachment, it blends in with the interior of the car without blocking the view, giving it a discreet look. 1. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW Dashcam is an ideal option for drivers looking for top-tier performance and cutting-edge technology in their Dashcam due to its impressive 4K video quality, extensive safety features, built-in Alexa connection, and user-friendly UI. The 622GW's 4K Ultra HD resolution ensures that crucial information is captured in very clear and detailed film, making it accessible in any driving situation. With a wide range of vision and few blind spots, the wide-angle lens provides thorough coverage of the surroundings. The enhanced night vision feature of the Dashcam guarantees outstanding video quality even in dim lighting, increasing safety when driving at night. The 622GW provides drivers with an extra degree of protection and convenience thanks to its array of safety features, which include intelligent parking mode, emergency SOS, and Alexa-assisted voice control. Its integrated Alexa functionality enables hands-free operation, allowing customers to access a variety of features without taking their hands off the wheel, including playing music, making calls, and managing smart home devices. A dash camera with lots of features designed for drivers who value excellent video quality, cutting-edge safety features, and easy networking. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you liked the most, or click on the thumbs up button if you liked the video.